In this video, you'll learn how to download Google Maps for offline navigation on your iPhone. Whether you're traveling abroad and need to save data or just want to be prepared when you don't have a steady internet connection, downloading Google Maps is the perfect way to get around. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Google Maps app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, tap where it says Offline Maps. So now at the top, it will say this. To use Maps offline, start by downloading a map. Then you'll be able to search and get directions offline with that map. So go ahead and tap where it says Select your own map. So now what you want to do next is just select the part of the map that you want to download for offline use. You can pinch the screen to zoom out or in. Once you've done that, simply tap Download. And that will download that map, which you can use offline. If you want to save and download another area of the map for offline use, just tap where it says Select your own map. Then select that different part and tap Download. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.